Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Here I talk a lot about different print-on-demand topics and today will be a video about Christmas sales, about Christmas designs because now is a great opportunity to create something new, something really interesting for Christmas, for this holiday, which brings a lot of sales. And in this video I want to talk about different sub-niches of Halloween designs so that you can find here an inspiration for different designs, not just some keywords or not some phrases, but also some ideas for different designs. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because here you can find a lot of print-on-demand videos. And let's start. I used Merge Informer and not only to find this different sub-niches, Christmas sub-niches. I think it's one of the best programs for product research. And of course I want to say as always that you need to upload your designs not only on Merge by Amazon but on any pod marketplace that you use to get better sales from your design ideas. And now already you can have Christmas designs because there are already some customers who want to buy something on this holiday, so it is a time to upload some new designs for this year's Christmas. The first idea will be about Christmas tree shorts, and it's one of stylizations that is connected with Christmas holiday. And the main idea is that you make an illustration of a tree which consists of different small elements. For example, here is about Super Mario elements, but you can also make, I think, on any topic your own Christmas tree. It is popular some dogs variants or cats variants or other animals, and it can be connected, I think, with any hobby, with any work. Also this Christmas tree can be made from different words, like here joy, love, peace, belief, Christmas. And if you will go from different hobbies, from different activities, you can definitely find your own idea for Christmas tree style t-shirts, and it will be connected with Christmas because of this Christmas tree. And of course it's a quite popular design idea. Of course I want to say that you shouldn't make or design something with infringements of intellectual property, like here. I think it's of course not an infringement because it's a Star Wars design, but if you don't have a right to design something connected with different franchise, with different characters, you shouldn't do that. Anyway, you can find a lot of different ideas with this Christmas stylizations, and if you will create a nice design, you can have a lot of sales in a holiday period. Okay, let's go next to the second sub-niche idea, and it's about Christmas pajama short. It's a quite popular phrase. This is my Christmas pajama short, and any year you can have your own part of sales. It's kind of a funny phrase, but to be honest, you can design almost anything, almost any element that is connected with Christmas. It can be some gnome, it can be some Christmas hat or Santa hat, or maybe some Santa illustration, or even other character, other animal. For example, we can also find some cats, some dogs, and the only thing that you need to do in this kind of designs is this Christmas stylization. Of course, it's colors, white, green, red colors, also some snowflakes, some other elements that are connected with Christmas, and all of them will look good with this phrase. And this phrase is quite popular, so you can also have different stylizations, but all of them will be connected with Christmas. Quite simple design idea, and I think that you can definitely make your own variant. Okay, let's go next, and the next idea is connected with stylization, ugly sweater short. Yes, of course, ugly sweater stylization is quite popular, and usually you have some sweaters, some sweatshirts, but in this variation it is just a print on a t-shirt, and it's only have an ugly sweater stylization. Of course, you need to make it like it's a sweater, but usually you can illustrate here almost anything. It's only a specific style, but the characters can be different. We can also find some cats, some dogs, some Christmas elements, also some phrases that are connected with Christmas, and of course, if you will make your short illustration in this ugly Christmas style, it will be connected with the holiday. Also different a lot of different variants, a lot of different keywords that you can make for this season, and if you will create a nice one, a nice design, you should definitely have a nice amount of sales for a Christmas period. Okay, let's go next, and next is a phrase that is connected with Christmas movies, because usually it is a good option to watch Christmas movies. I think almost every customer in this Christmas period, he or she watch some Christmas movies, and of course it is a popular kind of t-shirts that are connected with Christmas movies watching theme. The main phrase, I think, that this is my Christmas movies watching shirt, but you can also play with some other phrases, like I just want to watch Christmas movies and bake some stuff, or maybe just a girl who loves Christmas movies, and of course you can illustrate some scene from one or another Christmas movie, or you can also illustrate some elements that are connected with cinema, of course with some Christmas or winter elements, and it will look really nice. And I think that if you will come with some fresh ideas, fresh variants, you can also have a good sales for these designs. And fifth idea for today, and the last one, is about dabbing stylization, dabbing Christmas shorts. And dabbing is stylization when a character or a person is in this pose. Of course, you can illustrate almost any a character that is connected with Christmas in some way, or even some animal that isn't connected with Christmas too much, but for example, an animal with a Christmas hat, like here we can find some cats, dogs in dabbing pools, but of course the main idea is about Christmas characters like Santa, like gingerbread, or maybe also some reindeers and other characters for Christmas. It's a popular design variation, and you can illustrate one person like on these shorts, on these variations, but you can also make a collage from different characters in a dabbing pose, and you even can illustrate them dabbing in a Christmas tree compilation. Anyway, it is quite nice and popular stylization, and if you will create it good, you can also have sales for these design ideas. So it was 5 different sub niches for Christmas niche. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I wish you good sales and bye for today.